Dori Soukup here, founder of InSPAration Management, with another question of the week. This question came to us from Candy in New York. Candy's saying, "Hi Dori, thank you so much for your guidance. My business is growing. How do I know when to have more team members?" And I noticed you used the word team, Candy. I'm proud of you. I know exactly who you are, and thank you for your question. I know you are growing like crazy. I'm so proud of you and the team that you have right now. But a good rule of thumb to know when you should add more people is by assessing the current capacity of your team that you have now. So if you see that your team members are at capacity, if they're coming to work, they're working 8 hours and they are doing one treatment after another, then it's time to definitely hire more people. So that's a good indication. The other thing is if you're turning people away, or you're not able to fulfill the appointments that are being requested, that's another way for you to realize that it's time to hire more people. And I have to tell you, this is such a good thing, a good feeling, a good place to be at, knowing that your business is growing so much that you need to add more people. I just want you to be careful though, and be aware of who you're gonna hire. Make sure you follow the Clarity hiring system that we go over during the Leap Ahead, or you can actually purchase it as a product. And make sure that you are selecting the right people. One advice I have for you is to go out recruiting. Don't just put an ad somewhere. Make sure you go and you find the best of the best and go recruit them and get them to be part of your team. Because after all, we want A players on our team. So definitely the Clarity hiring system will be a great addition to your library in case you don't have it, and that will help you select, interview, and hire the right people on your team. So congratulations again on your growth. And if you need any help with anything, know that we are here for you. Do you have a question? Make sure you write us to info@inspirationmanagement.com and we can answer your questions too. Until next time, stay inspired.